Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make mini dinosaur keychain. We're going to start with a magic ring. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then we're going to finish it with a chain. And that is a magic ring. Next, we're going to make single crochet. And to make a single crochet, we're going to insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. And that is a single crochet. Since we need 8 single crochet for the first round, we're going to make 7 more single crochet. Once you've made 8 single crochet, you can pull the yarn to close the ring. And we are going to continue into the second round. And for the second round, we're going to make increase. And for increase, we're going to make 2 single crochet in one stitch. So we're going to start with a single crochet first. We're going to mark that first single crochet. Then still on the same stitch, we're going to make another single crochet. And that is an increase, 2 single crochet in one stitch. And for the second round, we're going to make increase for each stitch. We're going to continue into round 3 and we are going to start with a single crochet first. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, single crochet and increase. We're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of the round. Continue into round 4. For this round, we're going to start with 2 single crochet. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, 2 single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. We're going to continue into round 5 and we're going to start with 7 single crochet. Then we are going to make a bubble stitch next. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the first and the second loop, and there will be 2 loops on the hook. We're going to repeat the same step. So wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull it through the first and the second loops, and now there are 3 loops on the hook. We're going to repeat the same step until we have 5 loops on the hook. Once you have 5 loops on the hook, you can yarn over and pull the yarn through all the loops. And there is a bubble stitch. We're going to continue with 7 single crochet. Then we're going to make another bubble stitch. We are going to repeat the pattern, so we are going to make 7 single crochet and a bubble 2 more times, so there are 4 bubble stitches in total. So it's going to look like this. Now we're going to continue into the next round, and for round 6 until round 9 we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. By the end of round 9, it's going to look like this. And now we are going to continue into round 10, and we are going to start with 7 single crochet. Then we are going to make a decrease next. And to make a decrease, we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch and also the stitch next to it. Yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. So that is a decrease. We're going to make 5 more decrease, so there are 6 decrease in total. Then we're going to finish the round by making 13 single crochet. For round 11, we're going to start with 4 single crochet. Then we're going to make decrease 6 times. Then after that, we're going to continue with 10 single crochet. Continue into round 12. We're going to start with 2 single crochet. Then we're going to make decrease 6 times. Then we're going to make 6 single crochet to finish the round. And then we're going to insert the stuffing first. Once you're done, you can continue into the next round. And for round 13, we're going to start with 2 single crochet. And next, we're going to make decrease 2 times. And we can finish the round by making 8 single crochet. We are going to continue into the next round, and for round 14 until round 16, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. We can add more stuffing. And we are going to continue into round 17, and we are going to start with 10 single crochet. Then we're going to make increase for the next 2 stitches. And we can continue into round 18, and we are going to start with 2 increase. Then we're going to continue with 10 single crochet. And to finish the round, we're going to make 2 increase. Moving on into round 19, we're going to start with 2 increase. Then we're going to make 16 single crochet. And for round 20 and 21, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. For round 22, we're going to start with 3 single crochet. Then we're going to make a decrease next. And that is the pattern for this round, 3 single crochet and a decrease. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Before moving on into the last round, if you are using safety eyes, then you can insert the eyes now. And for the last round, which is round 23, we're going to make decrease for the whole round. So this is what it's going to look like. You can cut the yarn. And to close the top, we're going to grab our hook and we're going to insert it into the front loop of the stitch. Then we're going to yarn over and pull the yarn out. And we can repeat the same step for the rest of the stitches. Then you can just pull the yarn to close the hole. Next, you can weave in the end. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!